Good morning everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be filming a quick get ready with me just on this nice bold black eyeliner here. So if you'd like to see how to achieve this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so let's get started here. I've already gone ahead and moisturized my face using Honey Drop from Farmacy, and I've done my brows off camera. Next we are going to go ahead and get started with some foundation. So for today I'm going to be using the Hourglass Vanish stick in shade Porcelain. I'm going to actually mix that with the Dior Forever Undercover 24-hour full coverage foundation. And this is just in 014. Alright, so go ahead and I'm just gonna draw that on. Go ahead and shake this guy up. And for this, I usually just put it on the back of my hand. And I'm going to take a stippling brush. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and use my beauty blender and just pounce that in. Alright, so nice kind of full coverage. After that, we'll go ahead and conceal the under eye. So I'm going to go ahead and use Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in shade Vanilla. And I normally don't put too much under eye concealer, just kind of where I need it. And again with the beauty blender. Okay, so once we are done with concealer, we'll go ahead and get straight into bronzer. For bronzer, we're going to go in with the Soleil Tan de Chanel. A little on the forehead here. Alright, so after bronzer, we'll go ahead and we'll get into highlight. So for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Beauty Light Wand. This is the most incredible highlighter. I like more cream products. I'm not really too big of a fan of powders just because my skin gets so dry here in Calgary. And speaking of dry, for powder, that is why I love the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. It's a very unique formula. I don't find that it's very drying at all. It doesn't stick to any of my dry spots. It just kind of glides right over top. And just powder the eyes and underneath. Alright, so we've got most of the base done. Now for the fun part. We are going to go ahead and get started with the eyeliner. So for the eyeliner, I'm just going to go ahead and use my Tarte clay pot. Okay, this is the only kind of eyeliner that will stay on me all day no matter what. And I'm just using their angled eyeliner brush that came with the eyeliner. I'm just gonna go ahead. Just kind of where my eyelid crease stops is where I'm going to wing it up. And don't worry too much about the edges because we're going to go ahead and smoke that out with some black shadow afterwards. You just more or less want to make sure that you get both eyes kind of the same shape. Pretty even on either side. So once we got that down, what I'm going to be doing is just taking a black eyeshadow. So for the black eyeshadow, I'm just going to go ahead into my Marc Jacobs Glambition palette. Okay, I'm just going to be using this black shade here. This is a beautiful black shade. It has a little bit of gold reflex in it. I'm just going to be patting that along the edges here. right, and once you're done with that, you can kind of clean it up however you need to. And kind of once we have the eyeliner down, what I'm going to go ahead and do is just take a little bit of color underneath the eyes here. I'm going to go in with that same palette, and I'm just going to go into that second shade here. It's more kind of a skin tone color. And just kind of dab that underneath the lash line. And for some inner corner highlight, I'm actually just going to take my Beauty Light wand. I'm just going to dip my finger in the tip a little bit and just get that inner corner there. Okay. Next up, we'll go ahead, curl the eyelashes. For mascara, we'll go ahead and use my Lancôme Monsieur Big. Alright, so there you have it, kind of a simple, easy winged eyeliner. And to finish off, we'll put a little bit of blush. I'm going to go in with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. Just using my Pro Small Blush Brush from Sephora. Then to finish off this look, I'm going to go in with the Marc Jacobs. This is their Enamored Hydrating Lip Gloss Stick. This is in the shade Sugar Sugar. All right, so there you have it. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and we'll see you guys again soon.